In this session, we are going to work with links in Selenium using Python. The purpose of a link is to direct us to a page or to a certain part of a page. It can also direct us to a document. Link is the short name for hyperlink. If you're interested in a document, then you can go to the description to find a link to this document. I transcribed this video just in case if you want to read the information based on this video. We're going to use this application under test called the internet. It's an application with a lot of examples for us to practice automation. Each link is a page. Let's inspect these links by going to inspect, Control F. Then we can type 2/A. We see there are 46 anchor tags on this main page. Notice the first anchor tag does not have a value because it is a GitHub image. However, the second anchor tag has a value of A/B testing, which we see under available examples. The A tag is a common tag that defines a link. Most of the times, it has an href attribute, which indicates a destination for the link. Now, let's go to the IDE to print all of these links and click some of the links. I have import statements for WebDriver, the by class, and Chrome Driver Manager. We have the application already set up to be loaded. Now, let's go ahead and find all of the links by writing driver.findElements by the tag name. And I will pass in the value of A for anchor tag. Then store it in a variable called all links. Now, let's confirm that it's 46 links by printing the number of links. Print number of links, comma, and I'm going to pass in len. Len is built into Python to return the number of items. All links. Now, let's run. The console shows the number of links is 46. Let me show you how to print the names of each link. I'm going to write I equals 1. I will be the counter to keep track of each link. Now we write a for loop by writing for link in all links and place the colon. Skip a line. Now we're going to write print I, which is the counter, link dot text. Link operates like a temporary variable for all of the links. Recall from the previous session, text will get the text of a web element. Therefore, we write I plus equals 1. So we know the number of each link. Now, let's run. In the console, we see 46 links. Go to the top. As expected, number of links is 46. And the first link is blank. The second link is A/B testing. Let's find a link using link text and partial link text. All we need is the name of the text from the web page, and the console has all of those names. So I'm going to use Shadow DOM. I think it's in here. Shadow DOM, and how about sortable data tables? So for that, let's go back to the AUT and verify that it's there. Shadow DOM, yes, and sortable data tables. Okay, so to walk through these steps, we're going to click the Shadow DOM. And we see this simple template page. Go back to the main page, and then we're going to click the sortable data tables, and we see 2 data table examples. All right, so in the IDE, let's write driver.findElement. For Shadow DOM, we will use the by.link text. Then pass in Shadow DOM as the value. Shadow DOM, I think it's all caps. And we're going to click. Let's also write the sleep statement so we can see the page before it automatically closes. Time.sleep and pass in 5 seconds. Now let's click the sortable data tables link by writing driver.findElement by partial link text. And with this case, I'm going to pass in only part of the word, which is sortable dot click. And we're going to print one at a time. So I'm going to comment out this sortable statement, and let's run. We see that it clicked the link, okay, for Shadow DOM. Now, let's go ahead and print the value, or print. No, I'm not going to print. I'm just going to comment out Shadow DOM, and now we're going to run and see if it clicks the sortable link. Yes, we see both table examples. That's it for working with hyperlinks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next session.